looks good.
Okay.
That looks good. ...2024 was a great year for Rust to Resurrection. The channel has just done so well, and I owe it to all of you. We actually got past 1,000 subscribers this year, and that is one of the first most difficult things that happens on any YouTube channel. Getting that 1,000 subs is a milestone. And this year alone, 2024, we got almost 500 new subs. And I can't stress how thankful I am for all of you for coming on board and supporting the channel and what we do here. It has been a phenomenal process, a phenomenal experience. The point of this channel was for me to learn new things in the automotive world, things that I've never done before, and you guys came along for the experience. And again, I can't express how much I appreciate all of that. Now, with 2025 coming up, there's a lot of more great content planned for the channel, and I hope you guys stick around, come back for the experiences as I try to learn to do new things here on the channel and experience these old Jeeps and these cars in the way that they were intended. Guys, we'll be gone until after the New Year's, so from me and the rest of the crew here at Rust to Resurrection, you all have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you in the next video next year. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.